guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Tlauncher so you can play Minecraft. First type Tlauncher, then it will show up here. Click the link and it will start up here. When it starts, wait some time, it is starting. Okay, it is starting. Now guys, you have to come here and click this. It will start this. You have to click this. Then it will send a link here. When it finishes, click open. There will be some verification installation. After you click continue, sometimes it will show up like this. This is the app that will come up, and if you click it, it will start. Wait some time, I will show you. Guys, this is my I think 4th video, so please subscribe guys. I am a new YouTuber, and please subscribe. It will start here. It will start this. Look, this. And when this finishes, the Tlauncher app starts. In the next video, I will show you how to get mods in that app or game. I will show you in the next video so you can play with mods too. If you like this video, click the like and subscribe, and comment what I should do next. Wait some time, it is happening. If you want more videos like this, tell me in the comments which should I do next, which game. Wait some time, it will start. If you want to make me do a video, yeah, this started. After this, you can make an account and name whatever you want to do, and then install the latest version and start here to play normal Minecraft. In the next video, I will show how to get the mods, how to install the mods in this app. So that's it for the day, and goodbye.